It's magic. Well, not exactly, but the process of extracting and producing silver is so complex and fascinating it might as well be. From deep within the Earth's crust to your favorite piece of jewelry, silver's journey is nothing short of alchemical. You know? Alchemical? Alchemical refers to the process of transforming base metals into silver or gold. It's basically magic. This precious metal undergoes a transformation that involves a combination of brute force, chemical reactions, and cutting-edge technology. Get ready to be amazed by the shocking and somewhat mysterious story of how silver is made. Before we kick things off, remember to hit that bell and subscribe button for more awesome content like this in the future. Now let's dive in. Silver, though often overshadowed by its flashier cousin gold, holds an irreplaceable role in both historical and modern contexts. This precious metal not only serves as a store of wealth and a symbol of prosperity, but also fulfills critical roles in various industrial applications. In the realm of electronics, silver's unparalleled electrical conductivity makes it a core material for manufacturing components that power our smartphones, computers, and solar panels. Beyond technology, silver has been used for centuries in jewelry and silverware, adding a touch of elegance to everyday life. I know, you are familiar with all the wonderful things that silver does for us, but how is it made? There are 4 overarching steps in producing silver: discovery, extraction, refining, and transformation. The journey begins in the depths of the Earth's crust, where deposits of silver ore can be found. These deposits are usually located alongside other minerals such as copper, lead, and zinc. In fact, around 60% of all silver comes from ores that contain these other metals. The awe-inspiring process of silver production begins with discovery, where geologists use sophisticated methods to locate silver deposits hidden within the Earth's crust. Once the potential treasure troves are identified, it's like the Earth is whispering its secrets to those willing to listen. They employ advanced geophysical techniques, everything from satellite imagery to ground-penetrating radar, to pinpoint where the silver's hiding. It's not just a shot in the dark, it's a data-driven quest for the shimmering prize. Geologists use a variety of techniques to detect metals within rock, a process crucial to identifying valuable ore deposits like silver. X-ray fluorescence, XRF, is one of the most common methods where a device sends X-rays through rock samples to identify the elements present based on the characteristic way each element emits secondary X-rays. Magnetic surveys are also employed, exploiting the fact that metallic ores disrupt Earth's magnetic field, thus revealing their presence. Transitioning from the detailed detective work of locating silver deposits, we venture into the compelling world of extraction, where the physical labor meets cutting-edge technology. The extraction of silver involves a blend of tradition and innovation, with methods as diverse as the geology hosting the deposits. Initially, the ore must be mined, which often involves open-pit mining for surface deposits or underground mining for deeper sources. This is where the raw adventure begins, as miners dig into the Earth's crust, chasing the veins of silver. Once the ore is brought to the surface, the process of separating silver from the rock begins. This usually starts with crushing and grinding the ore to a fine powder, a step that requires both muscle and machinery. The powdered ore is then subjected to various chemical processes, such as flotation or leaching, to extract the silver. These methods use a cocktail of chemicals to dissolve the silver, allowing it to be separated from other materials. The most magical part, perhaps, is the purification process. Employing methods like the Parkes process, where zinc is added to the liquid silver to capture impurities, or the use of electrolysis, where an electric current is run through the silver, causing impurities to fall away, leaving behind nearly pure silver. It's a transformation akin to alchemy, turning raw earth into shining metal. Despite the complexity and challenges, the extraction of silver is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. From the gritty and physically demanding process of extraction, we move to the sophisticated and meticulous phase of silver refinement. This stage is pivotal, for it is here that silver achieves the purity and brilliance that make it so valued across various domains. Refinement begins with processes that remove the bulk of the impurities, with the cupellation method being one of the oldest and most common techniques used. In cupellation, lead is added to the unrefined silver and then heated in a furnace where the lead oxidizes and absorbs the impurities, leaving behind purer silver. For even higher purity, the silver undergoes electrolytic refining, a modern alchemy of sorts. In this process, impure silver anodes are dissolved in an electrolyte solution, with pure silver being deposited onto cathodes. This method is capable of producing silver that is 99.9% pure, often termed as fine silver. Another noteworthy method is the Moebius process, specifically designed for large-scale refining utilizing electrolysis for efficiency and sustainability. Each of these refining steps not only enhances the metal's value, but also its utility in industries that demand high conductivity and malleability, such as electronics, solar panels, and jewelry making, thus fulfilling the intricate dance between beauty and function. Finally, the last step in the process is transformation. The transformation of silver into a final product is a fascinating process that marries ancient techniques with modern technology. Once the silver is refined to a high purity, it then undergoes a series of additional processes depending on its intended use. For instance, in jewelry making, the fine silver is alloyed with other metals like copper to increase its hardness and durability for everyday wear. In the production of electronic components, on the other hand, silver's exceptional electrical conductivity is harnessed through precision casting and molding techniques to produce contacts and conductors. The versatility of silver also extends to its application in photographic films and antibacterial coatings, where it is treated and shaped according to specific industrial standards. This intricate transition from raw, extracted metal to a functional and elegant material underscores the blend of artistry and technical skill that defines the silver industry. From refining to shaping and finally surface treatment, each process is essential in transforming silver's potential into a tangible asset. As technology continues to advance, new methods of processing and utilizing silver are continually being discovered, ensuring that this precious metal will continue to captivate and inspire for generations to come. Now that we have silver, let's make some silver coins. But how the heck do we do that? Well, the process is not as simple as it may seem. Let's start with procurement. Procuring high-quality pure silver is the crucial first step in the fascinating journey of coin making. Sourcing this precious metal involves careful selection from reputable mines and suppliers, ensuring that the silver's purity meets stringent industry standards. Verification processes, including rigorous testing for purity and precise weight measurement, are indispensable to maintaining the integrity of the final product. The meticulousness of these initial stages underpins the exceptional quality of silver coins, making them not only valuable monetary items, but also sought-after collectibles. The allure of silver coins is not just their material worth, but also their beauty, starting with the detailed design process. Coin design combines art and history, often reflecting cultural themes or historic events. Designers and sculptors work together using traditional and digital tools to bring the motif to life. After finalizing the design, digital or physical models are created as a guide for crafting the molds crucial in the minting process. Precision is key in mold making to avoid imperfections. This process blends artistic expression with technical skill, ensuring each coin is a work of art and a symbol of minting excellence. After creating molds, the critical next step is melting and casting to turn silver into coin blanks. Initially, the silver is melted in a high-temperature furnace until it's liquid. Temperature control is crucial for maintaining silver purity. Next, molten silver is carefully poured into molds to avoid impurities. The skill of the pourer impacts quality. Finally, the silver cools and solidifies in molds, forming coin blanks for minting. Precision engineering and skilled craftsmanship merge in these steps, bringing designs closer to collectible masterpieces. The next phase, coin removal and cleaning, is both meticulous and crucial, signifying the shift from silver blanks to new coins. Initially, extracting the solidified silver coins from the molds with precision is key to preserving their intricate details. This precise task demands expertise and a gentle touch, as the coin's design is most vulnerable at this stage. After extraction, the process moves to cleaning the coins to eliminate residues or imperfections. This step is crucial for ensuring the coins meet collectible standards. Cleaning typically involves gentle washing and light abrasion, preserving detail while removing unwanted substances. This thorough cleaning enhances the coin's appearance and safeguards its long-term integrity, preparing for the final minting process to give the coins their defining features. The next crucial step in turning silver blanks into collectible tokens is the engraving and detailing process. Here, coins gain unique identities as artisans engrave details like denomination and year using advanced techniques for precision. Engraving not only functions practically but adds depth to the coin's design, enhancing its appeal. Artists then refine each coin with traditional skills and modern technology to bring designs to life. This detailing process highlights the coin's features, adding texture and intricacy that captivate collectors and enthusiasts. Meticulous attention ensures each coin is legal tender and an artistic masterpiece with enduring aesthetic value. After engraving and detailing, the next step is polishing and finishing, a crucial process that enhances the coin's physical and visual quality. Each coin undergoes meticulous polishing to achieve the desired finish, whether it's a glossy gleam or a subtle matte. A protective coating is applied to ensure longevity, preventing tarnishing and preserving intricate details and luster. This combination of polishing and protective coatings marks the end of the minting process, creating a coin that is both currency and a numismatic masterpiece. Upon completing the polishing and finishing stages, each coin undergoes rigorous inspection and quality control to ensure it meets high standards in numismatic craftsmanship and legal tender. Inspectors meticulously examine design accuracy and overall quality, using various tools to check for flawless execution and absence of defects. Coins are precisely weighed and measured to confirm compliance with size and weight standards, crucial for maintaining currency consistency and integrity. This dedication to inspection and quality control reflects the meticulous craft of creating numismatic masterpieces that are both functional and beautiful. Securely packaging the coins for storage and distribution is crucial. The process aims to protect coins from damage during transit and storage. Each coin is encased in a protective sleeve or capsule to shield it from hazards and enhance its visual appeal. Packaging includes certificates of authenticity and detailed coin information. Distribution is precise, reaching collectors, investors, and central banks. Expert logistic partners ensure secure delivery. This stage marks the end of the minting process, continuing numismatics' legacy worldwide. Silver's remarkable transformation from the Earth's depths to our daily lives is a testament to human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of nature's gifts. We invite you to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.